To take attendance in Moodle, first you turn your editing on, then click Add an Activity and choose Attendance. Then you're going to name your attendance activity. You can choose what category it's going to go in, or you can change the grade. If you change it to no grade, it won't go in your grade book. Then do Save and Display so you can set it up. We're going to add sessions. We're going to create multiple sessions, and then you're going to put in the first day of the semester, followed by the time of your class. And don't worry if you don't meet on this particular day. You're going to choose the day of the week, and you can delete any individual days if you'd like to. So we're putting the first day of the semester, the time your class meets at, how long the class meets for, and then the last day of the semester. And then the day of the week that the class meets on. Then you're going to do Add Session. So it says we've successfully generated our sessions. We'll click on Sessions and you'll see all of the days of the semester. Notice you have day followed by month followed by year for the date. So just make sure you pay attention to that when you're looking at them. If you change your language for the class to US English, it will fix that. To delete a particular day, you just click the red X and then just delete that day. To take attendance, you click on the green dot. And if you click on the settings up at the top, you can change your E for excused to E for entered. And then this allows you to have an entered date. Just make sure you change the points it's worth to the same as your present, so 2 points. Then update, continue. So we've made our changes. Then we're going to click back on the Sessions tab. Then to take attendance, we're going to click on the green dot. And then you just click your P's for present, E for entered. If you want to put in a remark, you can. Remember, you and your students see the remarks. So everybody that entered on that day. And you don't have to put remarks if you don't want to, but this is all you have to do to take attendance. And then of course you also have the late button and the absent button. You can take attendance for both an online class or a seated class. For an online class, you typically just want to choose an activity each week that you're going to count for attendance and then transfer whether they completed that to present or absent. So we're just going to finish up for this date. We'll click OK at the bottom, then continue. And you'll notice now that that day is a link. There's no green dot anymore. Then we can go ahead and take attendance for the next day. And same basic idea. We're just going to click everybody present. And we'll click OK. Now we've finished that day. Now those first 2 days attendance has been taken. And so you just basically continue this process throughout the semester. You can always go back in by clicking on the link later to change from absent to present, or any of those, add a comment, anything you need. Then you can click on Report, and this will show you how many presents, absence for each day, and also a percentage for that student. When the student looks at their own attendance, basically what you see on this line for a particular student is what they're going to see. Then at the end of the semester, you can export your attendance out. And this is going to export it out as an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you change it to the last day of the semester for the end period. And we'll open it up in Excel. And you'll see you've got enters, presents, and absences. Now again, notice that your dates are backwards, so you are going to need to go back in and adjust that. But for the most part, everything is as you need it to be. So that's basically taking attendance. So you can go back to the main part of the course, and then you can go into your grades, your attendance, and we're going to go into the user report. And then you're going to choose a particular user, and this can let you see what the students are going to see essentially. They've got their attendance, and he's at 66.67%. And then if you click on it as an instructor, you'll just go back into where you're taking attendance. And that's about it for attendance.